Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Google Chrome had an update today, and so this would be the second update for a lot of people in the week. Some of you had it during the weekend, but there's an update last Friday, and of course there's an update today, Thursday, September the 21st. Now, you might think, oh, weekly security update is here. No, this is not the weekly security update. I guess maybe this week there's nothing to fix. It is simply a bug fixing update. So if you go to the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome, you will be updated to version 117.0.5938.9192 or around there. Once again, bug fixes. It seems that the last fix is not totally fixing everything. Actually, after the last fix, I had my profiles seem to connect better, but I still had so many times when the profile would log off and I had to reconnect, which was kind of unusual for me. This apparently fixes the last remaining little tidbits of problems that people might have had with their profile. So now if you reconnect to your account, if you set things back like they were, you should be having a standard correct Google Chrome now working. It is kind of weird. It's some kind of bug, and they're saying it has to do with the way that Google Chrome and the registry are interacting with each other in Windows. So it's kind of interesting there. So bug fixes, no security updates. Once again, it's you'll get it when you'll get it if you don't want to go and look for it immediately. But I thought, oh, here's the bug fixes for the security, but no security updates once again. So just bug fixes, don't worry about it. And if you're having problems with loading the profile and loading your settings as they are in Chrome, maybe this update will fix it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.